In this Rent a Cyber Friend review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money by messaging friends and video chatting with friends online. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this video as I'm going to show you if Rent a Cyber Friend is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. The thing is really simple. What you have to do is, you can just chat with people who are very lonely or people that need companion or your support, and you can chat with these people and you can get paid for every minute that you chat or video call with them. So for 1 minute you can earn up to a few cents to about $1, $2 or even $3.5. I have seen a lot of dollars per minute, but I would recommend if you guys are getting into this, probably less than $1 would be good for every minute that they talk to you. So in order for you guys to sign up, all you have to click it here and you have to click on I am a cyber friend. So this is where you're going to be talking with people that are lonely and need companion, and you can chat and also get paid every minute. And also this is also available, so this is for people who just want to go and talk to these people. So there's a problem here. You have to pay $19 in order to become a cyber friend. So only after you pay $19 you can get paid for every minute that you talk to them. So if you scroll little down here, you can see all these instructions. You can just go through them. So mostly it's going to be video calls, then you will have messages as well, and it's private and you get paid per minute. So the cool thing is you can charge people just 1 cent for every minute that you talk to them, and it's completely free. And it goes, some people even charge $10 per minute. So it depends really on your social influence. So if you're like a celebrity and all, so if you come here you might make a lot of money. So that's cool. You can also get paid via PayPal and other gift cards as well. So Rent a Cyber Friend has been a legitimate website for quite a long time, but recently people are finding a lot of issues with this website. So I have dug deeper into Rent a Cyber Friend. So I went to Trustpilot and the reviews is only 3.7 stars. So usually if a website has more than 4 star, it is most probably a legitimate website, but apparently this website just has 3.7 stars. So earlier it used to have a high number of stars, but recently people are having a lot of complaint with this website. So I have went to the 5 stars and you can see a lot of amazing review that people are getting paid and all that stuff. But recently the 1 star has been popping out a lot. So if you go with the 1 star, you can see a lot of reviews that are against this website. So I have read all of this and let me summarize this for you. So basically the problem is that they are not paying to their users. So you can see here they don't pay us our money. I had calls with true regulars and made over 150 USD, and when I withdraw it says pending. It's been over 2 years. So that's like a legitimate scam alert. You can see a lot of 1-star reviews like this, that they are not getting paid. So many people are getting paid and many people are not getting paid. So I'm guessing the people that make very less money are not getting paid. So that's kind of like a problem. And I didn't tell you guys the threshold. So the threshold is $50 for you guys to withdraw the money. So imagine if I make $50 and I'm not able to actually withdraw the money, that is going to be a big problem. So the website, they pay their user as well as they don't pay their user. So that is kind of a red flag. So if it were me, I would have stayed away from this website because they should be paying all of their users if they are promising you something. So these guys doing this is absolutely a bad thing, and I don't know why they are doing this, but they have been doing this a lot recently. So to summarize, I would not recommend you to get into Rent a Cyber Friend, but if you really want to check it out, you can go check it out. So that's basically it for this video of Rent a Cyber Friend. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free affiliate marketing guide. So that's it for the video, and I hope to see you guys on another review video.